Wow! Wow! Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to teach you number 3. To make the paper airplane number 3, you need a piece of US letter size paper. If you don't have US letter size paper, use A4 paper. Now let's fold the paper in half first. Then unfold the paper. On the following step, let's start from the top edge from both sides, fold it to the center crease. And then start from this edge, fold it to the center crease as well. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Alright, so let's adjust it a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Okay, after you adjusted the paper, now on the following step, let's start from this tip. Fold this to the center of the blend right here. Let me turn the paper this way so that I can fold this easier. Now I fold it to that part. Alright, so this looks like how it's work. And to make sure that the blend will fly well, I will start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. So this is just an additional fold. Repeat the same fold for the other side. Alright. So this is what we should have for now, but this is not the end of the blend. Now let's unfold the paper airplane, and I will hold the paper this way, turn it this way, and then fold it like this, and then open the paper, open it, and fold down with that. Right? So this is what we have. This is what we have so far. Alright, so this is what we have so far, and on the following step, let me fold this toward the center of the blend. So unfold the paper and then stuck it in here to hold both sides of the blend together. So this is what we have, and then fold the paper in half. So fold the paper in half like this. Next, let's match this edge to the below edge here. So match it. Actually match this edge. So just match that edge. Alright. And repeat the same fold for the other side. Alright. So now the head is quite heavy. So curve the end of the wings up a bit like this. And here you go, this is the shark, and I'll show you another step to improve the performance of the blend. So at the head of the blend, let's fold this part out to create another wing. So make sure that this part will parallel with the wings up there. It should be straight, and on the other side, repeat the same fold. Okay, fold straight down, and open the wings. Now this blend has 4 wings. Awesome, right? It has 2 on the top and 2 small wings to help the blend fly straight, and these 2 big wings. So check it out. Don't forget to give the video a thumb up, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel